dog. He wants to get in the picture.
Yeah.
Alright, welcome everyone. Tonight I'm just going to break down a move out of Yau Kung Mun. It's also found in the Buckney system, Long Ying, as well as I think the Tong Long Southern Mantis. We go Kum La Sau, right? You see this a lot in the Buckney as well. Now this belongs to the Kum La Sau, the seizing or the joint locking part and the muscles of Kung Fu in our system. So I'm just going to do a quick breakdown on just this 1-2 move, what I could use it for and what I have used it for in the past in part of my job. Alright, so let's just look at this circle part here, and it latches on. Usually it uses a eagle claw, the yin jowl, but some might use a full jowl, tiger claw, whatever, right? But let's just look at the first part where it does this. If Hayden was going to set up his big right hand coming around here, starts with his jab and then sets up with this, if I put the right time in and if I could see this happening and I'm at this range, if he throws his jab, I've packed out, his hook is coming, I can grab the bicep. Right, so he goes to 1, 2, and I move in and I really grab that bicep, don't I?
Yeah.
Right, and it hurts. Right, and that affects the heart because we're on the heart meridian. Right, so his first one, I sneak through, I've grabbed that. Look at my shot right for the heart now. Bam, with the subtoid, which means the killing punch. Right? The next part, if I use, so I've just seized the muscle and the vein there, right? And the meridian, it's boom like this, right? So that's gone.
Yeah.
So the next one, if I use it as a wrist lock, right? So if he grabs my wrist, I use the collar, the circle, and I put the lock on. And now that's a quick snap and it's broken. Next minute the punch comes through. So in self-defense wise, if I'm like this, he's grabbing, snap, punch, it's broken already. If he throws his hook, grab, punch, I've got him there. Another way is to say he pushed on me. I can use this and I've got him in another lock, and that's this. Right, so he pushes, here, grab, punch, elbow, and you can finish. And another way is if I've done like a pigeon choy and I come through and I grab, move your hand, I grab his pec, and from here I want to break the arm, or if I want I grab across and grab his shirt and I'm going to snap the arm, so using your shoulder power. So I've got the choices. He's grabbed my wrist, I could use that. He hooks, I've got that. He pushes on me, I've got that, and so forth. So it's really quick, and it should be as soon as he throws his punch, and if I hit that properly, it's already on. And you got to do the claw bag, yeah, and stuff like that, and if you go press ups and train
Get your fingers
claws.
nice and strong.
Yeah, all the muscles in the hands. Got strong hands. Alright, so thanks for that.
Alright.
Thank you.